Okay, welcome back to Deutsch Tech, guys. Today we have an Audi R8 V8 in for an exhaust system. It's a pre-built system that the customer has supplied. So usually when I do these, they have a X pipe in them if they're straight piped, or they will have a valve system with a box behind it, similar to many that I've done on the channel. This one, however, is straight piped. So from the cats, literally straight pipe, no cross pipe, no anything. So I'll be interested to see how this sounds. I know it's going to be loud. So the kit literally consists of these two pipes that go either side, come from the cap and out the tips. The tips are built into the bumper on these, so there's no actual tips. Comes with a box. So you've got two hangers, exhaust hangers, just to go on the end of here to mount to the existing body, and then you've got two little pins that block off the vacuum pipes to the valves. It's as simple as that. So the job itself is relatively simple, apart from obviously you have to take the whole back end of the car off to do it. So I'm going to get it up in the air, get the wheels off and start stripping it, and then you guys can hear how loud it is when I finish.